RFID is here. Track every item as it moves.
Microchips,
Integrated
retail
circuits,
transfer
radio
rates,
waves,
high frequency only.
Rewind. RFID can be complex and unreliable if not done right. If you're still shaken from past letdowns with others, or unsure if it's worth the investment, we get it. Thankfully, there's a better way. With Zebra, the full promise of RFID is now possible and practical across every area of manufacturing. All along, Zebra's been there leading, steadily evolving, connecting portfolios and systems to generate a comprehensive solution that delivers on the original promise: affordable, reliable, and consistent RFID. Now it's become more than just knowing where things are. With Zebra, you'll finally be able to extract, analyze, and act on quality data in real time to uncover hidden opportunities and generate impacts across the entire supply chain. Automating processes, freeing up workers, enhancing visibility. As the leading player in the market, with the broadest portfolio and greatest interoperability, Zebra stands apart to deliver an entire value chain of benefits, from planning to implementation to management. With successful and proven implementations globally, it's sure to overcome your real-world challenges and environments to elevate the performance of every system, device, tag, and worker. Now you can positively ID workers, shipments, and assets without ever needing to manually enter data. Keep track of high-value equipment. Keep an eye on work in process. Monitor regulatory compliance. Reduce delays. Improve quality control. And that's just the beginning. With Zebra RFID, you'll be in command, but never on your own. You are backed by Zebra service team, support specialists, and an ecosystem of partners to guide your every move. Now, your way forward is clear, well-supported, and pain-free. And when you're ready to make the next step, Zebra provides a green field of opportunities beyond the tag, ready to be taken. The complete solution set that includes passive and active RFID, prescriptive analytics, location, and specialized services, and more, enhancing your ability to sense, analyze, and act quickly across your entire supply chain. With greater support, broader options, and broader horizons, what could you accomplish with end-to-end RFID transformation? Zebra RFID. More transformation, no complication.